Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on YFI token. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big down channel, and YFI token needs to break out this very long-term downtrend line resistance in order to start the long-term move to the upside. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my recent trade signal of YFI token that I shared with my members on 12th of November. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal, an expected harmonic bullish reversal bad move. You can see it was completing this final leg with Bitcoin pair, by the way. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down to enter in this buying zone that was starting from 0.3425 bitcoins and goes to 0.3367 bitcoins, and the sell target zone that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bad move was from 0.3599 and goes to 0.3783 bitcoins. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line nicely dropped down, completed the final leg, and then we had a very nice pump. That was, by the way, more than 20% pump against Bitcoin in the month of November 2022. Now, if we take a look at this live weekly time frame chart, then here we have the formation of a very long-term down channel. And by the way, on the daily time frame chart, there is a bit critical situation that we can see it is breaking down this triangle. I will show you this triangle as well, but first let me to show you this big channel, because this can be a really very big move if the price line breaks out this resistance of this down channel. And we have found a very significant support here at $5,250. That is, by the way, quite long-term support. You can see we tested this support here, and we also got another bounce from here as well. We got 2 touch points here at this support, and recently after this drop, we again tested this support, almost tested this support here, but could not break it down, and still we are moving above this support. Therefore, this support of $5,250 will be very important, and if it will be not broken down, then it is possible that the price line will have a squeezing movement inside this support and this resistance of the channel, and eventually the price line will break out the resistance of this down channel. On the daily time frame chart, we have a bit critical situation, but it has been happening. You can see even the few days back as well. Like, we have this horizontal support here. On this daily time frame chart, we have found this recent support, by the way, here at $5,449. And we had a long spike here, but could not break it down. We had a long spike here, could not break it down. Again, we had a long spike here, could not break it down. And we have almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touch points at this support, and this was the 7th, and this is the 8th touch point, and we are again having a spike to the downside. But on the long term, we have a very strong support at $5,250, and if we switch to the daily time frame chart, and if we want the movement of the price line with the combination of stochastic, then you can see that the price line is clearly very obviously forming another lower than previous low. But on the other hand, stochastic is forming lower than previous low. Price line is forming higher low than previous low, and stochastic is forming lower than previous low. So there is a hidden bullish divergence on the daily time frame chart. That can be another reason that the price line may not break down this triangle, and we may break out this triangle. Now, for example, if the price line breaks out this triangle, that will be, by the way, a very big breakthrough, because we are already very close to the resistance of the bigger down channel on the weekly time frame chart as well. And you can see after the breakout, our target to the upside will be approximately at $5,920. And in that situation, you can see that the price line will be moved somewhere here, very close to this resistance of the channel. And for example, if the price line breaks out the resistance of the channel, that will be the very, very nice entry for YFI token, by the way, for the long term. And for the long term, our target to the upside will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately from $95,000 to $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.